Stop mixing mooli in atta and calling it a paratha. Start stuffing it the right way. This mooli paratha won't break, I shapat. Begin by peeling and grating fresh mooli. First squeeze out the water with your hands, then again using a muslin cloth or a handkerchief until it is almost dry. This is the first secret to perfect non-breakable parathas. Once the mooli is dry, add chopped green chilies and fresh coriander, mix well and keep the filling aside. In another bowl, add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ajwain, add water gradually and knead it into soft stretchy dough. Make equal sized dough balls. Take one dough ball, roll it slightly and place a generous amount of mooli filling in the center. Remember, add salt only now on the top of the filling. Sprinkle a little atta to absorb any leftover moisture. Here, we have unlocked secret 2. Then, pull the edges together and seal it completely. Roll gently into a paratha and place on hot tawa. Cook until light brown spots appear, then flip and brush with ghee or butter on both sides until crisp and golden. Your mooli paratha is ready, soft inside, crispy outside and bursting with flavors. Serve with hot chai, curd or pickle and enjoy every bite. Try this out and let me know. And yes, like, share and subscribe for more.